We're just finishing up at Oceanology International. It's been a fantastic show.
We've really seen a lot of cool solutions and designs. We are really inspired about the innovation, and I've gotten really good ideas and insight of how we can develop our own designs even better and improve them further.
With our mature technology, we are getting great feedback from existing customers and potential new customers. Together, we are pushing the technology forward.
We do participate here regularly, and we do like to see how this industry is evolving with the USVs, because you see every year or every second year new actors in this market space.
It is growing at such a pace at the moment. The use cases in hydrography, port control, security, even oil pollution response and monitoring and enforcement for police activities.
Had a great opportunity to show our vessel here, to give our customers an idea of what kind of data and also the capabilities of the vessel.